Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Mia's getting herself ready.
All right, hold that.
Woohoo!
Sugar.
What? The name's Sugar.
Yeah.
What's the name? Sugar?
That's my ex-in-law's name.
Ooh, that's a beautiful name, Sugar.
Oh, what the heck? No, it's not working.
He started.
Oh, and that's what keeps it blown up?
Yeah, that fan.
Sugar.
Ah,
Wow.
You look
that
so
looks
good.
awesome.
Yeah, come on.
Let me take a picture of her.
Yeah, let's take a picture, honey.
Let's go.
Come on, my little gelato. Oh, this is the one with the steep hill.
Correct.
Am I pushing Father?
Just walk normal.
And then holding it coming back down. I remember.
I can't
You look
really
so
run
neat.
anymore. I can't run anymore. No, okay.
That's okay, take your time.
It's funny.
Yeah, I know, doesn't it?
Give me my picture, please.
That is so cute. You're welcome.
Ooh, look at that. Wow. That's neat, huh? Ooh. That's something, huh? That's neat, huh?
Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Wow. Say thank you. Oh, he's following you. Wow.
I'll take a video. I wanted to show
Go ahead, go in.
Feels so good.
You want to go look in here? You want to look?
Let's get 'em.
Look, there.
Wow.
Pretty impressive. Looks like they're waiting for us.
Say thank you.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Morning.
Say good morning.
Gelato. Here, help yourself.
Ooh. Say thank you.
Welcome.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
It looks super.
My husband said, oh my God, it's an enchilada.
I don't know what happened.
I want to help you do all that kind of
Wow.
Hello. I love your costume. You want some candy?
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Just one. There's like
You want to go over here?
axolotls at home. I breed them.
Say thank you.
The whole tank.
It's this lady right here. Okay, we'll go over here. Ooh, look at that big spider. Ooh.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
I can't say it. An
Exolado.
axolotl. You're so cute, but I can't say it. I love your costume. Would you like a toy and a candy? Come on up. Can we get close enough? We got all kinds of toys.
Yeah, one toy and
Ooh.
one candy. And you
We're
can
at the
get a
Family
chocolate as
Resource
well.
Center. Did you get a candy? No?
I got one for you, Baba.
Like, you got a little more?
In your bucket. I got one.
Ooh. Say thank you so much.
Happy Halloween. I love your costume.
Say thank you.
Oh, just one, honey. I said one for each bucket. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. You're good. I bought way too much and I don't want to take it home. So.
We always end up eating it.
Right? I'll just be here snacking all day.
Yeah. It's like, oh my God, we ran out. Gotta go to the store.
Thank you.
How cute, huh? She has her face painted, huh? Hi, honey. Look at that.
Yes, I love the hair. Very nice.
Thank you.
Would you like a pen or Prestige Home Centers if you know anybody looking for a home?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. This is? If you have to work, I get half the
Look at what I picked.
Is that Skittles? Ooh, my favorite.
Here, Mia.
Ooh, how neat, huh? Good job. Ooh. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Is that what I smell? All this scented stuff? It smells pretty good.
It does smell good.
Like a cinnamon or vanilla or something.
Honey, you smell nice, huh?
Dessert candles.
Patrick's the star. It's Gary. Thank you so much. Gary the Snail. Patrick's dad right there. His costume's in the backpack. There we go. Yeah, there we go. We also have free face painting inside, guys. Free face painting. Welcome to the second annual Junk or Treat right here at the Realtors Association. Hope everybody's having a great morning. It's beautiful out. I'll tell you. That bucket. I love this time of year. We got a pretty cool photo booth next to me right here. Buy some food, some coffee, some drinks, all going to the Family Resource Center.
Thank you.
And Citrus County Blessings. That's right. We're giving back today here at the Realtors Association. Thank you so much for coming out, guys. I'm DJ Trey. We got a costume contest coming up in 30 minutes.
He's burnt up like a wing and his name is Fred. He wears the same hat and sweater every single day.
Hey, look at the tall man.
I can't believe that there's a nightmare on my street.
Whoa. How neat, huh? Say hi.
Oh my goodness. I didn't even know you can ride those things. I get a high five.
Whoa.
We have so much for you to see. Did you see the petting zoo yet?
Oh,
We
no.
have the petting zoo right down there. Around the corner there, we have a really good Star Wars show.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Yeah, he did.
All these vendors with all these incredible things, so you have a wonderful day.
Say thank you.
Yeah. Boom. Look, she's riding. It's crazy.
On my street.
All right.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Ooh, what do they got over here? Oh, wow. Look at that. Those are neat, huh?
Tiniest zoo I ever seen.
Careful, they might chew on your ears.
Who's the pretty one, huh? Who's the pretty one?
There's a whole bunch.
Wow, how neat.
She was curious.
Yeah. Oh, look at the little goat. Oh, how cute, huh? How cute. Look at the little baby right here, Mia. Look at that.
Look at them ducks over there, huh?
A baby. What baby is that?
That's a big goat.
Laura.
I think that's just nice.
Rummage sale.
Okay. If you see the sign up, sign them up for the costume contest.
Yeah, here it is.
And let me know if you did.
I can barely reach him.
Oh, a kangaroo. Wow. How neat, huh? The rabbits are looking like I gotta get out of here.
Chicken food. Do you want to see?
What a pretty rabbit. Huh? Pretty rabbit right here.
Can I pet it?
Yeah, you probably can pet him. What do you think? You sound?
What?
Watch your axolotl. Next one down, right?
Yeah. Oh. Down lower. There you go.
Is he nice and soft?
Okay, we gotta watch your axolotl.
Let me fix your axolotl.
Duck Duck Boo time. I love your outfit.
Little purses there are $3 and 2 for $5. Duck Duck Boo, you ready? You're not too busy riding? All right, pick one of these ducks up. Your favorite duck. And tell me what number you have underneath.
Let me. Okay, I couldn't see that first.
Oh, you pick it up and look underneath. Pick the duck up.
There's a number on
There you go. I'll help you. Number 2.
Ooh.
So you go to number 2. Get one candy out of number 2. What a cool costume.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you for playing Duck Duck Boo.
Good, how are you?
Second Halloween costume contest right here. We need our judge. Where's she at? She's right over here. She's going to be over here in just a minute. We got her linked up. We got secret judges walking around. They've been looking at you guys. Let's get some prizes together here, shall we? I got a lot of stuff. Let's see here. All right, third place. Third place is some candy, an empty coffee cup. I'm just kidding. One of these football ring pops. Let's see, one of these little tiny footballs. These are pretty cool. Stress relievers, and maybe a pin with a bow on it. All right, there's third place. Second place is going to be something out of the box down here. Let's see what we got here.
I hope
20 bucks.
I hope she wins first place.
All right. We'll have adults in the kids costume contest for 20 bucks. All right, there's second place right there. You get a duck. Yeah, and a football. Those are sought after. And $10 to first place right here by Zena Craig at Holiday Builders. Big shout out to Zena over there. Her tent's right down there if you want to go check her out. And George from Coastal Loans, $10 for first place. All right, let's see if I can find our judge. Well, you want to do this one? You got him on the horn? Oh, never mind. Here we go. Oh, you got him up. All right, cool. She's on the phone with our judges. You guys just kind of hang out right there. Everybody in the Halloween costume contest, kind of line up right here in the front. Kind of line up here. Here we go. All right. We're lining them up. Go ahead. Five Nights at Freddy's over here coming on. We got our winners right. Here we go. She's on the phone with the secret judges right here. Third place. What do you think? All right, third place, little Minnie right here. Minnie Mouse, come on up. Y'all make some noise for Minnie Mouse. You got your bucket too? That's awesome. There you go.
How cute.
Cool. You're welcome. You got a ring pop in there too. All right, give me some. High five. Here we go. Yes, that's right. All right, second place. We're on the phone with our secret judges. Second place. Sam Malley on the left, right over here. Sam Malley, come on, second place. Come on over here. There you go. Here's a duck. You have a Jeep? You have a Jeep Wrangler? There you go. All right. Now, first place. Okay. This purple thing right here, Five Nights at Freddy's. Probably sweating to death. We got another Five Nights at Freddy's. Look, if you didn't win this round, there's $10 right there. Can you see it? You're welcome. There you go. Congratulations, guys. We got another one coming up at noon. Everybody that didn't win, y'all are all winners in my book. I'd have to go to the ATM if it was up to me to judge.